Hi my beauties, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining today. So today I have a fashion video for you. It's all about business attire. I am sharing with you pieces of business casual attire that can ultimately make over 30 outfits. If you're new here, my name is Angel. I share everything lifestyle, so from home decor and DIY projects to beauty and fashion. If any of that interests you, don't forget to click that subscribe button, as well as to click the little bell button for notifications as well. And don't forget to like on Facebook and share there. I'll share all of my social media handles, so if you want to see more of my personal life, be sure to follow me on my other social media channels. I have posted a previous business casual lookbook outfit video previously, and I think some of you guys got confused. So I'm not talking about business formal. I'm talking about business casual. They are completely separate. I'm an attorney, I know. Business formal is suits and 2 and 3 pieces. I mean, that's courtroom attire. But business casual is something you can just walk in if you have a casual office, if it's laid back, if it's not formal, if it's just slacks and a top. They're more relaxed. So today is a business casual video. It's relaxed. So let's be sure that we're clear about that. So if you're looking for business formal, you might want to check out another video, not this one. So be sure to watch all the way to the end, because I'm going to share with you each piece and tell you a little bit about each piece, what I like and dislike about it, and whether or not I think you should buy it. So be sure to watch all the way to the end. So let's start. those two colors, and the lights probably is making this brighter on camera. But it's really cute. It can match an array of items, and they have it in color of caramel. This came from Boohoo. It's a turtleneck, and this is in a UK 10. This is very fitting, so beware of that. This top is I love this top. It's a leopard print lace top. It's from Boohoo as well. I love this shirt, guys. I mean, of all of the clothes that I mentioned today, if I had to give you my #1 pick, it's definitely this shirt. I really like this shirt. And you can actually make this shirt business. You can make it casual. But you can also wear this under a formal suit. So if you want to do an entire suit, you can also wear this under the suit. But I really like this. It feels great. It's very cool. You don't have to worry about burning up in it. And I really, really like this tank. Another shirt is this one. This is a yellow mustard. It's like silky kind of. It's actually satin. It's a mustard satin blouse. It's very cool. It's very comfortable. It's not tight whatsoever. You can style this with pants or skirt or suit. All right, another shirt I have is this white shirt. You always need a really nice white shirt in your closet for business casual and for business. But this is a casual shirt, not a formal. Keep that in mind. So a business formal shirt, for example, will be a button-up shirt. This is not a button-up shirt. So this is a scalloped edge bodysuit that I got from Boohoo as well. And you can mix and match this with a lot of pieces. Now, warning, this is kind of thin. So just know it is kind of thin, so be wary of that. But I like the shirt. I super like the shirt. I mean, I can't see through it, but don't wear it on a cold day. Wear it on a warm day because it's very light. So this is a dress. It's a striped burgundy and black dress. I think this is so cute. It's so different and it's not the norm. And I purchased this dress from Boohoo and it's in a size US 4. All right, so let's talk about another dress. This dress is a black dress. You always need a black dress in your closet for business casual. And this one has a little tie in the front, and I purchased this from Boohoo as well. This is in a US size 4. I will say that you might not can see it on camera, but it is see-through a little. I'm trying to see, can you see me? Maybe you can see that. Can you see? Can you see? You can see it kind of right there. It's kind of see-through, so I really like the dress, and it's very versatile. You can wear it with a number of jackets. You can wear this to many places, but you probably will want to wear like a slip or, you know, or something up under it so that you can't see through it. Okay, let's talk about some bottoms I'm going to share with you today. So I got these 2 bottoms. One is a pair of pants, black pants. I always want some black pants. So these pants were different though, and that's why it caught my attention. So they're not normal. They're really, really wide legs. So they're not tight. You don't really want to wear like super tight stuff to work, you know, and yeah, it's not cute. We're not trying to be sexy. We're trying to be classy and nice. That's what we want, okay? So this caught my attention because of the belt loop. So you see how it like folds over? It's really cute, and then it has the little buttons there to give it just a little pop, you know, so you're not so boring in black pants. A little bit of pop. So yeah, I really do like these pants and highly recommend you get them. The skirt that I got was not the skirt that I wanted. The one that I wanted, they were out of stock, so I went with the next best, which was this one. Now, this is not the skirt I would recommend, so throwing that out there. This is thin and it's cotton, so I would not recommend you to wear this to work. I would recommend you to search for another black skirt, but for the purpose of this video, which I ordered these clothes for the video, I styled this skirt with the shirts, but I would recommend to search Boohoo for another black skirt. I do not recommend this one. But this is a great summer skirt, like, because it's so lightweight, it's see-through, it's cotton. It would be a good summer skirt. But anyway, for the purpose of this video, I wanted to show you how you can still style a black skirt with the tops. So there you go. Now let's discuss jackets and blazers. So I'm sharing with you 4 today, and one is this black and white checkered jacket. It's like a blazer, but I will say it's a very comfortable blazer. This came from Boohoo. I like it because, you know, the black and white checkered is always businessy, but this is made from cotton, so it's cool. It's not hot, it's not stuffy. So I really do like this blazer, and you can style it with a number of outfits. Another blazer that I'm going to share with you is this mustard. Now mustard is in. I love mustard. I know a lot of these items. I think I got what, 3 pieces or so that's mustard in this business casual haul. Well, mustard is just a great winter color, and because of my skin tone, mustard looks really good on me. So this year I have gotten more mustard than normal, but mustard is in. So this is a mustard blazer. I also got from Boohoo. I love the texture of it, and it's actually made in a really good quality. This was made in Italy actually. But the quality of it is really good. I mean, it's a suit jacket, so you know they have pants for this if you really want to make a complete suit out of it, but it's really good quality. You got a pocket right here. Oh, it's not a pocket. Anyway, really like this, and you can style it with so many different options. Another jacket I got is this black one from Boohoo. Now this one, it goes to your knees and the arms are out. It has a little cutaway, so it fly over your shoulders like, you know, the superhero capes. I love those jackets. This is my first, so I was ecstatic to try it out. But I like it, and it's nice and comfortable. It's not hot. You don't have to worry about being hot in it. And it's made of really good quality. So for the price that you're paying for it, it's really good quality. Highly recommend that jacket. The last but not least, I'm sharing with you a coat. We all need a coat for the winter. So here's a cute business coat. You don't have to do this color, but this is my color, so that's why I chose it. It's a mustard coat. It's a wool, it's really long. It's a full length mustard wool jacket. So it's very long, it's very warm, it's very comfortable. You don't have to get this color. They have it in a ton of colors. Actually, as a matter of fact, I have a ton of colors. I think I have reds and brown and yeah, white. I have it in a lot of colors, but I wanted this for the business because I will wear this. I'm not saying you, and sometimes a lot of colors are not allowed at certain jobs, so beware. If you know you can't wear a lot of colors, don't get the mustard. But if you can, this will definitely make you pop, honey. When you walk in that door, all the women are gonna be looking at you like, oh my God, I love that jacket. Every time I wear it, people love this jacket, so keep that in mind. So another outfit is this jumpsuit that I'm actually wearing now, which came from Boohoo. I love jumpsuits. You don't have to match the top to bottom. It's like literally just throw it on and walk out the door. I have worn jumpsuits to work quite a bit. And last but not least, you always need a really good pair of business shoes. Today I'm going to share with you these. These are some brown, for me, my natural nude color, brown tone with a little gold at the end. They're not that high, but they're very comfortable. They're from Auto, and I picked these up from Ross though. They were $29.99, and I can wear these with any of the outfits that I mentioned today. Why? Because they're my nude color, and nude matches anything. But these, if you just don't have a lot of money but you need a lot of outfits, grab you a pair of nude shoes and you can wear them with anything. Or black, of course. You can always do black. Black matches almost everything most of the times, but nude is always my #1 go-to when I just need a good pair of shoes to match almost every outfit. So alright guys, if you enjoyed, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Let me know which outfit you like the best, or what type of environment you work around. Is it more business formal or is it business casual? Would you like to see a business formal video and get some inspirations and ideas for that? If so, let me know. If you have not saw my previous business casual attire video, go check that lookbook out. I also have a winter attire video lookbook that I'm sharing with you guys, so also be sure to check that video out as well.